So right now I'm looking at my bank account, and I just made $300 in the last 3 days. All I did was use this. All I used was my phone. No laptop, no experience, no investment. So here are the exact steps that I took. The first thing that I did is I signed up on this website called Inbox Dollars. And this is one of the most legit GPT websites out there. It will literally pay you to take surveys, watch short videos, play games, and even shop online. I've personally cashed out over $700 from this website, so it is definitely worth your time.
Ow.
Now, some of these offers won't be available in your country.
Ow.
So if you want to broaden your opportunities, what you can do is use a VPN and connect yourself to the US. And once you are done with that, simply select any of these offers that are available and start working on them. If you want to maximize your earnings, what you can do is combine Inbox Dollars with other GPT websites such as Swagbucks, Ysense, or Microworkers. All of these are completely free to join, and they will pay you for simple online tasks. You can easily stack multiple streams of income like this and put your earnings on autopilot. Next up, I use ChatGPT. Now, many people don't know this, but you can make a lot of money using ChatGPT, and all you need is your phone. Now, there are many ways to do this. One of the easiest ones is by writing quick blog comments on different websites.
Ow.
Now, you might be wondering, why would anybody pay me to leave comments? Well, there are many people out there who want to increase their website traffic, and the best way to do that is to leave genuine comments on their website, which will then get them more views, more engagement, and ultimately more money. So all you have to do is go to websites like Fiverr and type in something like "leave comment on my website," and you will see a ton of results. Most of these sellers will be willing to pay you between 50 cents to $2 per comment. Now, as you can see, the requirements are very simple. They ask you to leave a comment and include a link, and that's it. You can complete these tasks in less than 1 minute. And all you have to do is copy and paste the comment that ChatGPT writes for you and leave it on their website. Another thing that you can do is use ChatGPT to write product reviews. There are many people who sell digital products, and to make sure that their sales don't drop off, they ask their customers to leave product reviews. But not everybody has the time to sit down and write a review. So what you can do is offer this service on Fiverr for just $5 and use ChatGPT to write all of the reviews for you. Now, moving on to the next app, we have TikTok. Now, as you guys know, I love promoting affiliate links, and one of the best places to do that is on TikTok, because you can get a lot of free traffic. Now, in order to promote your affiliate links, you will first need a website, but luckily you don't have to spend hours building a website, because you can use platforms like Squarespace, Wix, or WordPress to build a basic website in minutes. And if you're wondering where to find affiliate links, well, there are plenty of affiliate programs out there that you can join, but the one that I recommend is Amazon Associates. It is completely free to join, and you can promote products in almost any niche. Once you have set up your affiliate links, the next thing that you need to do is create content around those products. But creating content can take a lot of time and effort. So if you want to speed things up, you can use AI tools such as Jasper or Copy AI to generate video scripts, video titles, and even images that you can use in your videos. Then all you have to do is film a 60-second video talking about these products and promoting your affiliate links. And do you worry if you're not a good speaker? Because you can actually hire somebody to voice over your videos for just $5 on Fiverr. Now, when you upload your videos to TikTok, make sure that you add your affiliate links to your bio so that people can click on them and buy the products. And if you really want to scale things up, what you can do is run targeted ads on TikTok and promote your videos to a wider audience. Another thing that I did is sign up for the Temu and Shine referral program. Now, if you don't already know, Temu and Shein are two of the biggest fashion retailers in the world, and they both have amazing referral programs. So all you have to do is share your invite codes in WhatsApp groups, and you will get paid for every person that signs up and makes a purchase. Now, the good thing about doing this is that you don't have to convince anybody to buy anything because they are already interested. And the best part is that you can earn passive income through this method, because once you share the invite code, you will get paid regardless of whether they buy something or not. So all you have to do is find WhatsApp groups related to your niche and start sharing your invite codes. And finally, I sold photos on FOP. This is an app where you can upload your photos and sell them to people who are looking to buy stock photos. So here's how it works. People upload photos on FOP, buyers come and search for those photos, and if they find them useful, they will buy them. Now here's the catch. You might be thinking that you have to take high-quality photos in order to sell them, but that is not true. I've personally tested this, and I was able to sell a photo that I took using my phone S camera. So all you have to do is open up your phone S gallery and scroll through the pictures that you have taken. There is a good chance that you already have pictures that people are willing to buy. Once you find some good pictures, simply click on them and upload them on FOP. Then set your price, or leave it at 0, so that people can make an offer. After that, sit back and wait for the buyers to come in and purchase your photos. Before I reveal my top tips, let me show you what I earned using these methods. So after just 3 days of working on these tasks, I was able to make $300. Now obviously this is not life-changing money, but it is enough to cover my internet bill. And if I had more time, I could have definitely made more than $300. Now here are my top tips. Tip No. 1. Use multiple apps to increase your income. There are so many GPT websites out there that are willing to pay you for doing simple tasks. So my advice is to use at least 3 different apps to stack your income. Example, you can combine Inbox Dollars, Swagbucks, and Ysense. And this will allow you to earn more money without having to spend extra time. Tip No. 2. Work during your spare time. So if you have a busy schedule, what you can do is work on these tasks during your commute or lunch breaks. You can use apps like Google Docs and Microsoft Word to complete writing tasks, and you can use apps like Zoom and Skype to complete survey tasks. Tip number 3. Stack tasks to save time. So what I mean by this is that you can combine different tasks to complete them faster. For example, you can use ChatGPT to write product reviews and leave comments. And you can use Fiverr and Canva to design logos and social media posts. And all of these tasks can be completed using your phone. If you're looking for more ways to make money using your phone, check out my video on how to make $1,000 using your phone. That's it from me. See you guys in the next one.